So now today I will talk about the fragment callbacks. So what is that callbacks? So as per the previous video, you can see that if we press the button, then actually there is no way to call back to that my home screen. So we have to refresh that page so that we can come back to my home screen. So that is the reason actually we have to use a button, so that once we press the button, then we'll go back to the home. So that is the reason we have to create a OK button here. So basically that is the dialog, and this is appearing here. So inside that dialog we'll call a that is called begin button, and inside that begin button we will call a button. So now this button should have some properties, a tag that is text, and this text it will come from the I18 properties. So now I18, and then we have to dialog close button text. So still I didn't define, so if I go to the properties I can put here and just OK. So let's check. So actually now is still not properly okay, but I am just making how it will work. So now if we go in there, you can see the button, and button text is okay, it is also coming here. And now we have to use another, like if we press then it will call on close dialog. So we have to define this. Where we will define, we have to define in the controller. So now that is the hello panel controller, and here that is it is actually there, but I can just. So now what we have to do, we have to create a new function. This function name is the same what I will press here, and function then this dot by ID. So what is the ID? ID is basically that hello dialog. So we have to put the dialog ID. So now then it will be close. So now if you can see that hello button is showing, and this is also coming from the I18 properties. So if we click here, it will automatically go back. So actually that is the reason, but you have to watch the previous video, because in the previous video I described how the relation between the dialog and the fragment. So that's all. Let's continue with the next video, that is icon. Thank you.